Guys, usually I come here, I always see a blizzard, and this time it's a bit bigger than the other one. I'm not sure if there's any something different, but I'm at a different street right now. I'm at Biram, and this is really weird. Let's catch Park Extension and see if there's more snow, or Park Station or Gear Park. Okay, guys, we have a big snow. Whoa, no. That's the Gear Park Station. It's right there. The train is like 4 or 5. The train is coming like 10 minutes, so I don't want to make more. And look how much snow it's piling up. And let's walk over there to catch more snow. So guys, we're just walking, and that's going to. Oh my God! It is so wet here. I don't understand. We already recorded the blizzard February 7. And if right now it's 27 and we have it again. So it's 17 days after. Really? That is so weird. Where do we pass from? Where do we do it from? I think we have to go through this, guys. This is, whoa. And look at all these rocks. It gets this worse to walk. Especially really weird. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. Guys, look. Right at Park Extension from Biram, and we passed the street, but I don't know the name. Whoa, this entire thing. Okay, bye guys. I gotta go home, guys. It is really freezing. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.